Howdy folks, I just hope everybody out there on YouTube is doing well. This is Jethro. I just wanted to drop a quick video and talk about some things I'm going to be doing coming up here pretty soon. We're still pretty much shut down in my area as far as car shows or anything like that goes, so I decided that it's probably time I get back and build another model. So I've been wanting to do this one for a while, and I figured I'd go ahead and blow the dust off the old box and build it as a 32 Ford Roadster from AMT Erdl Pro Shop. I've had this thing probably since the late 90s. What I'm thinking about doing with it is building it kind of in the spirit of the Race of Gentlemen annual event they hold up in New Jersey. Very much traditional style hot rods and motorcycles from the 40s and back, and I think the cars are actually from the 30s and back. Beach drag racing, and just overall looks like a pretty good time overall, but pretty much that's what I'm going to do. I'm not sure yet completely what colors I'm going to do. This car comes as a 3-in-1 kit. They have the 3 options there. It actually has the stock engine is a 4-cylinder, flathead 4-cylinder Ford engine or a Chrysler Hemi. I'm probably going to go with the flat 4, the 4-banger, and I'll save the Hemi for another project later on. But that really about covers it. I'm just going to get started on that. The variable on that's going to be the weather, is when I can get out and paint. I got to paint outside, and the humidity in Florida is kind of high right at the moment. So we'll get to it and get it going. Hopefully in a couple of weeks I'll have it done, or at least have some progress made on it. Well, I guess that about does it from here. We're going to get started on that probably tomorrow and see how far we get along with it. Hope everybody's doing well. Y'all take care. This is Jethro, over and out.